Hi everyone, it's Angela from Really Good Stuff. Thank you for joining me here this Thursday night. Remember, we're here every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come and enjoy Nicole and I showing you some products and possibly giving you some ideas. We love being part of the teacher community. Make sure you comment, leave questions, all the things below. Send us some emojis and you'll be in a drawing for one of 10 prizes that we are giving away tonight. So all month we've been talking about kits. A couple weeks ago I showed you the Supplemental Learning at Home kit. I know Nicole showed you the Bridge the Gap kit. We have a lot of different kits. So if you go on our website and put in kit, you're going to see a different variety of kits. The one I'm going to show you tonight is the Learning Support Kit. I grabbed the first grade one. So I'm going to go over this, but know that the other learning support kits are similar in the fact that this one has mixed skills. We also have family engagement kits that are skill specific. Goodness gracious, it's already been a year. So there's a kit for any need you have. And this is a great opportunity for you to approach your PTA or write a grant, or even if you have parents who are like, oh, I need some stuff for home, what can you do for me? Send them the link to the website, because these materials were chosen by teachers and created by teachers. So let's dive in. Again, this is first grade. They're pretty similar in the fact that they have all the different things. If you look on the website and go through the pictures, it'll show you all the contents. So it comes in this little plastic zip bag. Woo. So right here tells us what our contents are in here. On the back we have a family letter in English and in Spanish to help give some extra ideas. All of these kits these learning support kits come with a game. So this one comes with one of my favorites, rock, paper, scissors. This is a fun game to play. It comes with 100 chips, so you get lots of practice out of this. You could even use them as little flashcard chips if you wanted. It has an instruction card, and then the back has the answer based on what chip you have, and it's in numerical order. Tried to make it as easy for you as possible to check. So we won't open these little bags here, but the way it's played is you put a pile of chips in the middle, however many you want. If you want to put all 100 there, you might give pairs of students even 20. But this is great to play at home with your family, siblings, etc. for your students. So this one says 19 minus 16, and I know that's 3. Now, if my opponent drew a chip and they had 5 plus 5 is 10, we both got it right. So who gets the chip? We have to go to rock, paper, scissors. So depending on what the little picture on the top is, that's who wins. Now, if you get a tie, like you both got rock, I had a teacher at a conference tell me once, when my kids tied, I would have them do real rock, paper, scissors. So you can see how much fun this would be. Lots of great practice with this. And again, the quicker they can answer these problems and get that fluency, the better we all have, a better time we all have. All right, whoop, let's see what else we got here. I see 6 books here. We've got Baba Black Sheep, I'm a Little Teapot, Little Miss Muffet, Jack and Jill, Hey Diddle Diddle, and Humpty Dumpty. Now, these are all, basic nursery rhymes, but these are great to practice with the kids, with their words, one-to-one correspondence, reading their words. And the thing I like the most about these is there's a little, let me fold this back so you can see it, there's a little letter in the front to the family. It's always important. If you don't take time to tell your parents how to read with their kids, they'll probably not do the best job of it. So give them some tips, and this is perfect. So read and reread this tiny take-home for about 10 minutes at a time so that your child stays alert and interested. Makes sense? Sit next to each other, taking turns holding the book and turning the pages. That makes a ton of sense. Kids have to learn how to turn the pages and not skip pages or hold the book upside down. Point to each word as you read so your child can follow along. So even when a parent's reading, hey, diddle, diddle, it helps children learn to read. Encourage your child to read with you and take turns reading pages. I used to love with my kids that were struggling reading, I used to whisper read while they read out loud. It helped give them that encouragement to keep going. Provide plenty of praise. You did a good job with that. I liked the way you were sounding that out. So many important things. Invite your child to color the pictures and circle the tricky words or punctuation. And then it says, please see the inside back cover after reading. So during reading, when your child is reading aloud and they attempt to correct a word, here's some things you can say. These are great, again, to train your parents. Does that sound right? Does it make sense? Does it look right? What is that word's first sound? So if they don't know the whole word, have them at least give you the beginning sound. How does the picture help you? You're nearly right. Try it again. After your child has self-correct, you can say, I knew you'd get it. Great job. So lots of stuff in here, and there's even some little comprehension questions down here. So they get 6 of those books, which is awesome. Dry erase board, blank on the back, and one big writing space on the front. This is awesome to practice. If your kids don't have dry erase boards and you're virtual, you need to get your kids dry erase boards. So much easier to have them write their response if they can. Oop, I know there's a marker in here, so yep, dry erase marker with the eraser built in to the lid. Love that. Here's sight word mini flashcards. There is 50 flashcards here, 100 words because we did front and back. The first 50 are blue. These are the shorter words, the easier words for the kids to read and understand. And then the orange are the little bit of tougher words. But 100 sight words here. Let's see what else. Looks like we have a couple big journals in here. How to writing journal. This is so much fun. I love this one. Let's turn to a random. Well, first let's go to the table of contents. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I would have thought that. So let's turn to a random page. Here we go. How to feed pet. So what we did is we gave them some picture clues up here, and we say, you might need. Now the kids might need these things, but if they're feeding a parrot, it might be completely different, or any other kind of animal. So they're gonna draw down here their animal and how they're feeding them, and then they're gonna write how to feed an animal. In the front of the book journal, we also gave them transition words. We like to give them enough stuff to go through here. Fun things like how to play soccer. At the end, we have how to be a good friend. So that's a lesson for 20 and 21. Let's all be good friends. And then my numbers through 120. This is a thick, jam-packed journal. We have 120 grid here, and then we go through every number 0 through 120. So we start with doing the cross section like you have on 100 grid. They have find it, write the number. Up here in the front, they were doing 10 frames, drawing on 10 frames. And it just keeps going and going. This book is chock full of all the different numbers, and you're gonna find the 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less. Oh, let's see what our friend Erica, our product developer Erica, put at the back here. So we've got trace through 120. So we've got fill in the missing number. That's always a good one. And then what's this one? Ooh, mystery picture. I like this one. So she tells you what boxes to color, which boxes to color, which color to get a mystery picture. So you can see days worth of fun in here, days worth of learning, lots of lessons. Again, check out our website for kits. We're here to support you, whether you're a parent, a teacher. I know a lot of you are both, whether you're virtual, in person, or both. Oh, it's been a year already. Anyhow, again, my name is Angela. We love you. We're here for you. Let us know if there's any topic you'd like us to cover, and I will see you next time. Bye.